If you need a professional carpet cleaning and steaming company, you need Windy City Steam. Yup, you can hit us up anytime. Got a dirty carpet, spill some wine, stain so bad, make your brain go mad. You can call us up or hit the forum online. See what we do with a little bit of time. Carpet, upholstery, grabbing tile, a little pressure washing, look like wow. Stop putting it off the book right now. We clean it, we steam it, we know your carpet need it. From Naperville, we family owned, we put in that work when in your home or your business or wherever you need. Residential to commercial cleaning, in the Windy City we got that steam. The floor look fresh now, ain't no dream. No job too small, no job too big. All your furniture, we got the team. Inside of your home, we make it gleam. Do a Class A job at Windy City Steam.
Windy City Steam, make it real clean. Your business or your home, we'll freshen up the scene. So call us up or book online, we'll be right there. Here at Windy City Steam, we'll get those stains out of there, yeah. Windy City Steam, make it real clean. Your business or your home, we'll freshen up the scene. So call us up or book online, we'll be right there. Here at Windy City Steam, we'll get those stains out of there, yeah.
Get that dirt out, no problem. Hey, get that dirt off your carpet. It's time to get that dirt off your carpet. Windy City Steam, we will make it happen, no problem. It's time to get that dirt off your carpet. Woo! Windy City Steam, get that dirt off your carpet. Let's go.